Before starting today's video, I have a question. Do you know why are you here for? And do you know the purpose behind your presence over here? I really don't just want you to watch this video. Yeah man, I want you to be here with a desire of learning and a purpose. And if you have a purpose to be here and desire of learning, then please stay here and watch this video till the end, because this is gonna be a happy learning. Hi there, I'm glad you're here. I'm so excited and grateful to you for being here. I really appreciate your decision to be here. I believe this video is worth watching, and you're gonna realize it after watching this video. So make sure to stay here and watch this video till then. I would like to start with beautiful quotation of Ronald Reagan. We cannot help everybody, but everyone can help someone. Help is a short and small word, but deep in meaning and hard in practical. Talking about help and actually doing help are completely different matters. Lots of people talk about helping others, but very less are actually doing. There are more productive ways to help others. Money is not the only kind of help. There are people who want to help others only with their money, not with their time, attention, and education. But not just that, there are people who want to get help only with money. Sometimes someone needs your attention, not your money. They need your time so you can listen to them. They need your education, skills, talents, and company. Listening someone is priceless. Giving your time is precious. Sharing your knowledge and skills, education are like seeds you are sowing in someone's life that will become harvest someday. But it's very sad for lots of people, help is equal to money. If you demand money as a help, that money will last maybe for few days, few weeks, maybe for a month or for a year. But delivering our experiences to others, it's not a temporary help. On the other hand, helping with money is a temporary help. In this modern age, if 10 people are sitting together, 9 of them are using their cell phones, their laptops, tablets, or they are busy on social media. Even they are sitting with their friends or family. Maybe what I am talking about, these are not new things for you, but these things can be a reminder for you. We can help others through our time, through our attention, through our education, skills, and talents. Because sometimes someone needs someone to share their feelings, and if we are sitting with that person and we are using phone or we are using our laptop, that's very sad. Sometimes people don't know what kind of help they need. They need counseling, they need guidance, but they are asking for money. Share your experiences with others, no matter what kind of experiences you have experienced, no matter they are good or bad, but they have something that can help someone. You can share your failures, disappointments, setbacks, every kind of experiences you can share with someone if they need, because they can be helpful for other person. Help yourself to help others. Love yourself to love others. If you find this video helpful, you can also help me by sharing this video with your friends. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my channel and watch my other videos as well.